Okay guys, this time I will give an opinion about our new President Prabowo Subianto as the newly elected president, representing significant change in the Indonesian political landscape. His leadership will likely influence various sectors, including government, in military, defense, and the economy. In terms of governance, the Prabowo government cloud priorities national security and military modernization. Given this background as a former general, this can be realized in increase in the defense budget and a stronger military ministry both domestically and internationally. Considering previous corruption cases, Prabowo has had very good impact on social justice, government, the economy, the business, and environment, and reform. Prabowo has arrested 28 corruptors from 7 corruption cases in Indonesia. The corruption cases that were arrested were corruption in NCPE grant funds amounting to 122 billion and corruption in sugar imports in 2015, which cost the country up to 400 billion and much more. The total loss is at least there 0.1 trillion. This is what makes Indonesian progress with politics like this. Furthermore, Prabowo's foreign policy stance will be very important in shaping Indonesian role on the global stage, especially related to the dynamic of ASEAN and geopolitical tension in the Asia-Pacific region. The government's approach to issues such as trade, environmental sustainability. Prabowo's economic experience also make it possible for inflation to not occur if the president is in Prabowo's hand, who is more experienced because he has previously done business, plus Gibran has also done business, making it possible for very high inflation not to occur. The usage of modal in request word. Modal verbs play a crucial role in forming polite and effective requests in English. They add nuance, courtesy, and flexibility to our language, allowing speakers to express varying degrees of formality and urgency. For example, can, may, would, and many more. Introduction to modal word. Number 1. Origin. Modal verbs evolved from Old English, originally expressing ability or possibility. Number 2. Development. Over time, modals expanded to convey obligation, permission, and probability in requests. Number 3. Modern usage. Today, modals are essential for polite communication and expressing the degrees of certainty. Defining modal word. The first, auxiliary verb. Modal are auxiliary verbs that modify the main verb's meaning. The second, no conjugation. Unlike regular verbs, modal verbs do not change from with different subject. The third, functionality. They express ability, permission, advice, obligation, possibility. The role of modal word in request. Number 1. Ability. Ability in the modal verb refers to a person's ability or capacity to perform an action. Number 2. Permission. Permission in modal words shows the use of modal words to ask for or give permission. Number 3, advice. Advice refers to the use of modal words to provide the advice or recommendations. Number 4, obligation. Obligation refers to the use of modal words to express obligation or guidance. Number 5, possibility. Possibility refers to the ability or possibility of an event occurring. Number 6, over. Over refers to the use of modal verb to over any item. And actually there is much more about the role of modal words in requests. The following are examples of ability, permission, advice, obligation, possibility, over using modal verbs. Ability with modal verbs. Can. I can swim very well. She can speak their language fluently. They can solve complex math problems. He can play the guitar beautifully. We can finish the project by tomorrow. Could. I could run fast when I was younger. She could play the piano beautifully as a child. They speak French fluently before they moved. He could solve difficult puzzles easily. He could travel to many countries when we had more time. Permission with modal verb. Can. Can we use phone to call for a ride? Can I borrow your pen for a moment? Can we take a break now? Can we watch a movie after dinner? Could I use your phone to make a quick call? Could we have a meeting tomorrow instead of today? Could I borrow your book for a few days? May I use your computer for a moment? May we have a break now? May I open the windows? May we sit here? May I take a look at your notes? Advice with modal verb. Should. You should go your exam to do well. I think you should take a break if you're feeling bad. You should save some money for emergencies. You should try to get more sleep each night. You should talk to someone if you're feeling stressed. Obligation with modal verb. Number 1, must. You must finish your homework before going out. We must wear helmets while riding our bikes. She must attend the meeting tomorrow. You must tell the truth in the interview. They must follow the safety regulation at work. Have to. I have to complete my assessment by tomorrow. She has to attend the conference next week. We have to follow the rules of the game. They have to take the bus to reach the office on time. You have to clean your room before going out. Possibility with modal verbs. Might. It might rain later, so take an umbrella. She might join us for dinner if she finishes her work. They might go to the concert this weekend. We might see a movie after dinner. It might snow tomorrow, so be prepared. She may call you later to discuss the project. They may decide to travel next month. He may go hiking if the weather is nice. Cold. We could go to the beach if the weather is nice. You could find a good job if you keep searching. They could win the game if they play well. Over with modal verb would. Would you like to buy this? I would help you if you need assistance. He would consider your proposal if you presented it clearly. They would appreciate your input on this project. He would be willing to negotiate the terms if you're interested. I would help you if you need assistance. We would like to offer you a discount on your next purchase. In conclusion, the role of modals in request is very important to set the tone, politeness, and clarity in communication. Modals help speakers make requests sound more polite, flexible, and less fussy.